For the ऐतिहासिक फोटो की नियुक्ति मिलन सर is here with us.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Winners, congratulations. Now moving forward, Mr. Samir Kumar Kolya. He's from West Midlands.
Darjeeling, Dr. Santosh Nimbalkar IPS, along with Ma'am Santosh Nimbalkar.
Nice. Thank you. So guys, अभी I'm going to give this gift to Milind Soman और ये हमारे gift pack है, goodies and everything to the family. यहाँ पर भी है हमारे पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट के लोग and he stayed in this hotel window मेरे. So Window Mary Hotel, we're going. I got this opportunity to give him a gift. And this hotel is very amazing. It's very beautiful, beautiful hotel. Feeling tired. कतानिर हो? So guys, there he stayed with his family, Mr. Milind Soman, and this is very amazing. Not a talkie there. के छ यो गिफ्टमा चाहिँ goodies, letters, gifts, cookies. ए दार्जिलिङ छ तपाईँ नि हैन गिफ्ट ल्याउनु आको कता आउनु रे Look at this. Look at the stairs, guys. Gift man. यहाँ राखिदिनु कता राखिदिनु त सोफामाथि राखिदिउँ हुन्छ हुन्छ सर हुनुहुँदैन ए माथि जानुभएको छ हुन्छ यो चाहिँ सरको रुम है Unfortunately, Milind Soman sir is not there, but also I sent one small cheat to him. I hope he'll read it.
क्या बोलेंगे ऑरेंज कहाँ पर डालेंगे
Going back now, back to Chaurasta, and look at this area. Look, bye. Guys, returning back from this hotel resort. So this is really amazing. Look at this place. It's full of beautiness. Oh my god. And this is the exit point now. I'm going back. This is the way to Chaurasta or बहुत ही अच्छा लोकेशन है। मज़ा आया बहुत 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 ज़्यादा मज़ा आया।